I have an engine failure. I have an engine failure.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you can see an engine failure of a Rotax 912 in the Alps with an emergency landing. It's not a training lesson, it's real. Hallo und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal. Heute ist der letzte Tag unseres Alpenflugtrainings. Wir starten von Chambéry in den französischen Alpen. Heute geht es nach Italien und zwar zum Werk von Savannah, wo der STOL-Flieger gebaut wird. Our intention was to cross the mountains in the formation of 5 VL3 from west to east to get from Chambéry in France to Castelnuovo Don Bosco in Italy near Turin. Shortly before reaching cruising altitude, one of us, Olivier, had an engine failure. I flew with Richard in my VL3. Richard's 80-year-old father was on board with Olivier.
Good morning all together. Good morning, Richard.
Hello, good morning, Michael.
Ok, Delta Victor Lima, alignement et décollage 32. On maintient quelques secondes sur la piste pour attendre Whisky Bravo.
Whisky Bravo, Free Victor Lima pour alignement et décollage 32.
Cross Kilo, it is number 5.
Décollage 32.
Kilo Golf, décollage 32.
Victor Lima, décollage 32.
Runway 32.
For everybody, next frequency, formation frequency 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5. So for your information, we will try to climb at 8,000 feet short procedure if we are able to fly over the clouds.
See? Okay. Oh, we go straight. Straight. Much better, huh? Too much sun.
Okay, got it.
Yep, you are.
Can you see that?
You see, after we turn on the right, on the valley. If you want to go now, you turn on the right. You see him?
No. No.
Yeah.
No, I do. I have an engine failure. I have an engine failure.
What?
You have an engine fail? Yes. Confirm. Engine failure. Okay, what will you do? You tell me and try to find...
Oh, Olivier. Tu vas sur Albertville, Olivier.
Okay. Olivier, 5-0.
Steffen und Lisa folgen, Olivier.
7 o'clock.
No, we go to see Oliver.
7.
Okay, mach du hier, wir bleiben hier. Richard, donne-moi le code voici d'Albertville, s'il te plaît.
Je tire.
Lima Fox, Kilo Alpha, Lima Fox, Kilo Alpha, 123.5 the frequency.
Lisa is following that. 123.5?
The frequency, yes, 123.5 and Lima Fox, Kilo Alpha.
Olivier, tu l'as sans problème à Albertville, hein?
Ouais, ça va, je l'ai en mon computer. Donnez-moi la fréquence, s'il vous plaît, d'Albertville.
123.5. Prends 5 degrés à droite, tu seras plus court.
Richard, on your right side, it's Steffen and Lisa. We follow Olivier also.
Victor. Richard und ich, wir folgen auch dem Olivier. Wir sind links von Olivier. Ich bin mit dem Olivier unterwegs. Ich bin mit Richard und wir sind jetzt gleich links von Olivier. Okay, und Lisa ist auch dabei. Ja.
Lisa, wir sind rechts von Olivier.
Right side. Okay.
Je pense que tu demanderas une 05, Olivier.
Delta Victor Lima, we maintain for level 85, going time, waiting for information from Richard or Olivier.
Richard, this is Lisa. We will go to Italy also if you are with Olivier.
Okay. I stay with Oliver. Olivier, va plus à gauche. Olivier.
Ok, alles klar.
Apparemment, il n'y a personne
Alarm.
dans le tour de piste. Tu peux prendre la 05, je pense.
Ok, je prends la 05 alors.
On entend le train qui est sorti, Olivier, il n'y a pas de souci.
Oui, ouais, ok.
Visuel à gauche, hein, le terrain, 11h.
Kilomètre visuel, no problème.
Richard, c'est sur la fréquence?
Oui, je suis avec toi, je suis derrière toi.
Ok, merci.
Richard, tu es sur 135?
Oui.
Bon, on continue vers Solière et tu nous tiens au courant de notre destination sur les émissions ou pas?
Ah ouais, on verra.
Ah, problem for Olivier.
Yeah.
Better to have the engine failure here.
Yeah. It's much better.
Airfield 1.5 kilometers ahead, 1,800 feet below.
Et le whisky moment où je peux monter en finale 05.
Airfield close ahead, 1,500 feet below.
Olivier did an excellent job, a perfect landing. We followed him and interviewed him after he had landed safely.
Well done.
Yeah.
Albertville, India Golf, on roule pour le point d'attente, bravo.
Ok, Olivier, on va se poser derrière toi, là. On va venir main gauche 05.
Ok, merci, ouais. Très bien passé de ne pas avertir les autres.
Airfield
Ok.
ahead, 800 feet.
Alain, pour Richard. Can you say in German, say okay for Alain, for Olivier?
Mit Olivier ist alles gut, er ist sicher gelandet.
Airfield
Okay, danke. Wir hören euch noch. Die anderen hören euch, glaube ich, nicht mehr.
close ahead.
Landing on the airfield, yeah? Safe down, Albertville.
Le Victor Limon en finale 05.
Parfait.
Et Albertville, Lima, piste dégagée.
Turn.
Yep. Ok, stop. Yep.
Ah, Olivier. Well done. Motor completely broken. Never, first time with a Rotax like this. Grosse vibration. Finished. Et j'ai essayé, rien qui bouge même pas les dessins. Je vais rester calme. Ça va te nettoyer les oreilles. Voilà.
Richard's dad was very cool the whole time. Also an experienced pilot, although he gave up his passion many years ago.
J'avais aucune idée. Et c'est pour ça que pour pas que je commence à chercher, je t'ai demandé dans moi le code.
What happened?
We was busy to climb at 8,000 feet, and in one time a big vibration. So yeah, I think what's maybe icing or carburetor icing, and the motor blocked directly. Look, it's impossible to
Oi.
move. So I think it's a big. I have big trouble in my engine. I don't know what's happened.
In German,
But-
Kolbenfresser.
We was 5 VL3 in flight, so I called my friend Richard first to give me. He give me directly the direction because you know when it's happened, it's nice to do that in exercise with instructor. But when it is real,
Totally
it's
different.
completely different. So first it's fly the plane, take the decision. He give me the good heading. I put the good frequency here. I declare it an emergency, and lucky because we have altitude, so it was easy for landing. But look at that. Finished.
Ja, nochmal gut gegangen, zum Glück. Schon rechtzeitig und nicht erst im Anflug irgendwo in den Alpen. Schwein gehabt. The exhaust valve of cylinder number 1 broke, then the piston broke, then the parts of the piston blocked the crankshaft. The Rotax had 750 hours. Wow. Congratulations to the second birthday.
It's not necessary to tell something.
I have a tip for you to improve your chances in the case of an engine failure. If you are lucky enough to have a modern Garmin device on board, for example a G5 or 3GX, you should always install the latest software version. With Smart Glide, it will guide you to the nearest airfield with a perfect course and set the correct frequency. In this way, it reduces the workload in a very effective way. In combination with an autopilot, it will automatically take you over the airfield. Check the Garmin website, the link can be found in the video description. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you haven't, take care, bye.